Stevon NextLevel Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Homepage mistakes to avoid. I want to share my experience with some things that I've done to avoid those mistakes on your YouTube homepage. So make sure you watch this all the way through. I've got some extra power tips you do not want to miss what's coming up. Let's get into it. So if you're watching this video, you're probably someone who has your own YouTube channel. Maybe you started and you're getting ready to grow. Maybe you've had it for a while. YouTube homepage mistakes. I'm going to share the things that I've learned, and I did some checking. Checked on Google. I did some research. It's important to design your YouTube channel because it's the page, the one that they see before they decide whether or not they want to subscribe to your channel. As you can see, this video right here, it pulled in 10 subscribers. So if I wanted to bring in subscribers, what I would want to do is find a video that is a top performer, just like that one right there. As a matter of fact, now if you had one like this video coming up right here, it only has brought in 2 subscribers. So if I wanted to optimize my homepage, I would want to pick the one that brings in the most subscribers. If my goal was to increase my subscribers, that's the one I would use. Oh, by the way, if you see that confetti, those are right there. That's your confetti. That means that you did something right on one of your videos if you see that pop up. So we're optimizing our homepage with the trailer for the highest performing video. You go to your analytics, scroll down. It's going to show you your top videos in this certain period, the highest performing video. So that's the first thing that I've done. I've made sure that trailer video is either 1, introducing yourself, or 2, highest performing on views, or 3, highest performing on subscribers. I've been able to optimize my homepage. We want to go to the next level. As you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it to get it done. We want to take it to that next level. The second thing that I've done to avoid homepage mistakes on my YouTube channel is I've made the upload section the first section that people see when they come to my channel. Right up under that trailer we just set up, we want them to be able to see the upload. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go behind the scenes. I'm gonna show you. There's feature sections. What we wanna do, we wanna make sure right up under there, we wanna make sure that feature section is uploads. That's the whole idea. Make that your first section. So go to that section. We're gonna edit that section. It does several things. One thing that it does, it shows your potential subscriber and your viewer that you have recent content that has just been uploaded. That's one thing it does. The second thing it does, it makes it easy for them to find those uploads without scrolling over. Remember, most of these people are watching on their mobile devices. So we want to optimize it for that. So you go to add a section. As you notice, I can actually add uploads. So we're going to click uploads, add that to the section. Now what we just did, we just added uploads to the page. Uploads has been added. Take that hand, grab it, and it's going to pull it up. Pull that all the way up to the top. Somebody hit your page, they got uploads. They know exactly what you're up to. They don't have to think a lot. It's the second thing that I've done. We can have small channels and still have big gains. Remember that. Before we go to number 3, I gotta take some time, show some love for all my family, all my subscribers, my viewers, putting it down, leaving comments, the cash apps, investments, all of that means a lot. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, great music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation, hit the subscribe button and join the family. So the third thing that I've done on my channel to avoid homepage mistakes, I've created optimized playlists. I'm going to go to a playlist right here. I'm going to zoom in for you. There's no description there, nothing. That is not an optimized playlist. What we want to do is get an optimized playlist. We want to make sure it's searchable with the SEO. We want to make sure that people can find it, it's interesting to them. And this one right here, as you see it, it says how to increase your views on YouTube, easy tips, methods anyone can use. That is an optimized playlist. And if you look even closer, add a description. This playlist will help you take your views to the next level with tips and strategies that have worked for me. Put together optimized playlists. Remember, this thing is global. Your YouTube channel has the potential to reach worldwide. So optimize. The one thing that has helped me is TubeBuddy. That's why I'm excited about TubeBuddy. Check out TubeBuddy with the link in the description. They'll help you optimize your titles. I've used them on this one. Actually, if you look at it, let me zoom in. YouTube homepage tips is one of the terms I used. But TubeBuddy is right there. You can get started for free, upgrade, and if you upgrade, you can use my link. I'll be able to get credit for that. So go to TubeBuddy, check them out at tubebuddy.com/StevonJBiz with the link in the description. Some extra bonus points that I want to share with you. But before I do that, if you've enjoyed this so far, do me a favor and hit that like button. The algorithm signal will let others know this video, this video. Let them know it's worth watching if you hit the like button for me. So thank you. So the first extra bonus point that I want to share with you, it deals with your channel page, when people land on your channel page, the first thing they're gonna see is your banner. We wanna make sure our banner is so clear. For example, I'll show you a photo of my banner. When you land on my channel, you know you're gonna get music, motivation, talking about new videos every week. So think about that. When people land on your channel page, are you able to make it clear to them? Are they able to see exactly what they're gonna get on your channel? The second PowerPoint that I want to share with you, it deals mostly with the idea of the links that we put on our channel. A lot of people, they have links on their channel banner that links out to Facebook, it links out to Twitter, and all those things are good. But from my experience, what I've learned is that we want to have as few links as possible linking away from YouTube. We want to keep the people on YouTube. That's when the YouTube system rewards us, when we're able to keep them on. And the third thing that I want to share as a bonus point that helped me is I had to make up my mind that this thing is for the long term. I had to get my mindset right for it. Check out this video right here, 3 mindset methods every YouTuber needs to succeed. I put that together. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. Check those videos out. See me over there. Thanks again for watching. Amazon links in the description. Stay blessed, stay positive. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.